So the trend of having a large battery bank in your earbuds case are rising every day, and with better battery technology being invented, we are slowly creeping into an era where running out of batteries seem to be something of the past. We're taking a look at one of BlueWow's latest earbuds with all the latest bells and whistle. Let's see if these earbuds can compete with some of the big brands out there. Welcome to a review of the BlueWow X2 Pro. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the BlueWow X2 Pro. So a few videos back, we took a look at BlueWow X2 Pro, and that was really a decent sounding earbuds and it was an eye-opening experience. BlueWow have now sent me their X2 Pro, which is their latest iteration of an earphones with a large battery bank case. Although BlueWow have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest review so you can gauge for yourself whether these earbuds are the right pair for you. Personally, I'm definitely a fan of earbuds with large battery bank cases since I don't really mind the bulk and usually just carry my earphones in my bag anyway. So having that large battery bank really is a plus point for me. These earbuds would retail in Malaysia for roughly around 119, and that translates to about US 30. And if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do consider using my links in the description below, and it really would help out the channel a lot. So the design of the X2 Pro is really something quite unique. You'll see that the case is honestly not that huge. Taking it out of the box, you immediately feel how solid this entire case is built. So one of the standout features of these earbuds is the nice digital display that you can see here that shows you the percentage of battery left in the case, which is a very nice feature to have on a battery bank earbuds. One thing I would say is that the lights on the digital display is really very bright, and using it in a dark room really lights up the entire place, and if you live with someone else, this might not be the best case to be using in the dark room. Below the display, you will see two charging ports. The charging port to charge up the case is a micro USB, and the output port is a USB Type-C. Personally, I would really love to see two USB Type-C ports here, and I think that should be the way for all earphones in the future. Opening the lid, you'll be greeted with the earbuds sitting nice and snug inside the case held on by magnets, and the lid of the case feels very solid, but I wish the hinge could be a little bit tighter so the earbuds doesn't slam shut on its own. The earbuds themselves are very minimally designed, and there is a multifunction button with the BlueWow logo on top. There is also a multicolored LED that occasionally blinks when no media is playing. Once you play any media on it, the lights on the earbuds will stop blinking. Again, when the LEDs are blinking, it's really the brightest LED around. And the earbuds are built very solid, and the seams and everything seems very nicely sealed shut, and the materials that BlueWow choose to use are really quite exceptional. The earbuds themselves are medium size, not too big, not too small, but smaller ears may find it harder for it to sit nicely inside the ears. So that's something to consider before buying one of these earbuds. So the nicest feature of these earbuds is that it has a large 300 hours battery pack, so you'll never run out of juice when using these earphones. The earbuds would give you around 5 hours of battery life, and the case will recharge the earbuds a total of 6 60 whole times. And the earbuds takes only an hour to fully charge, and the case would take a total of 4 hours to charge up from empty. Instead of the traditional wired charging, or maybe you don't have a micro USB cable lying around, one of the cool features of the X2 Pro is that it supports wireless charging, and any Qi certified wireless charger would work. And if you have one of those phones that support reverse wireless charging, you can also put this on top of your phone to get them charged up. The X2 Pro features Realtek 8763 Bluetooth 5.0 chip, which is also a very good chip compared to the standard Qualcomm chipset that most Bluetooth earphones use. Granted that Realtek may not brand it like how Qualcomm does, but overall the performance is still really good. These earbuds also features an IPX5 water resistant rating and definitely can protect you from sweat and even light rain. However, these are not rated to be swimming earbuds, so please don't bring these earbuds swimming. So connecting the BlueWow X2 Pro to your phone is a very simple process. So all you gotta do is open up the case and you can pull out either side of the earbud. So let's just pull out the right side and you should start to see it flash very quickly in white and blue. So go ahead and click on scan and you should see the BlueWow X2 Pro appear on your phone. Right, so there we go. Click on the BlueWow X2 Pro. It should ask you for a confirmation and there you go. Click on OK and there you go. So that's how you connect the BlueWow X2 Pro to your mobile device. The overall sound signature of the X2 Pro is also quite an exceptional one, and I think more people should start looking into companies like BlueWow to share some of their amazing sounding earbuds. I'm really not saying this because they sent me these earbuds, but they genuinely sound really good. The bass is very tight with plenty of clarity to go around. Of course, for the price, we're not comparing it to any audiophile level earbuds, but I believe they are sufficient to give most users a satisfying experience. And for a nice sounding value for money pair of earbuds, then these are really pretty great. Call quality on the other hand may not be the best out there. Granted, it's not marketed to be the best sounding earbuds for call quality, although it does suppress environmental noise quite well, but the call quality is choppy at best. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see whether or not the BlueWow X2 Pro is a good earphones for making phone calls. So I noticed that these earbuds are a little bit on the noisier end, and it's not really that consistent overall, and it's a little bit choppy. So what I'm going to do now is play a simulated background noise and to see whether or not there is a difference. So now I have a simulated cafe noise background, and you can hear that my sound is still a little bit choppy, but I'm surprised that my voice actually can come through very clearly. Just that with that choppiness is not a very ideal earphone for making phone calls. So again, this is the call quality test of the BlueWow X2 Pro.
With Bluetooth 5.0, these earbuds also performs quite well in terms of its latency performance. Although we don't see any Qualcomm AirBag support here, but most Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds does perform very well when playing back YouTube and Netflix. You might see some very minor latency when playing games, and this is still typical to most Bluetooth earphones today. I haven't yet tried an earphones that has zero latency in games like PUBG or COD Mobile. So one good thing about the X2 Pro is that there is a dedicated gaming mode in these earbuds and you can toggle them on and off, and it gives the earbuds a slight boost in latency performance and does improve game latency by roughly about half a second, but there is still a delay when playing games. So let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see whether or not the BlueWow X2 Pro actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And with that, you should say latency problem with earphones.
In terms of the X2 Pro's control, I'm really happy to see a full spectrum of controls, and it definitely allows you to control everything you need from your earphones. To play or pause media, simply click one time on either side of the earbuds like this, and it should play or pause your media. And to skip forward, all you gotta do is double click on either side of the earbuds and it should skip your media forward. And to skip backwards, all you gotta do is triple tap on either side of the earbuds and it will bring you back. Volume can be controlled by pressing and holding the left or right earbuds, and it will increase or decrease the earbuds volume, which is independent to your phone's volume. Also, 4 clicks on the earbuds lets you pull out your assistants. So There you go, pause and pull out your assistant. And lastly, 6 clicks will ultimately toggle you between regular mode and gaming mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gaming mode, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn off gaming mode. So basically that's all the controls of the BlueWow X2 Pro. Overall, I think the BlueWow X2 Pro is definitely a very value for money earbuds, especially if you're looking for a casual pair of earbuds with good audio performance. But if you're looking for a pair specifically for phone calls, then I think this may not be the best earbuds for you. Apart from that, the specs are great, and overall I think this is an earbuds that you definitely need to check out. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.